Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 6th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the US dollar Swiss is definitely still in a downtrend. We still don't have that engulfing move to the upside, but we do have non-farm payroll today. So if non-farm payroll does cause an engulfing move up, still think we're going to keep going down, but I think it would probably make a pretty decent move up. And then probably some point next week, we would probably end up continuing the downtrend. The only problem is that the trend is definitely down, and it definitely doesn't have to make a nice move up. It could potentially just keep on going down. Definitely want to keep in mind that the trend is your friend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we got our Fibonacci retracement on this move down right here. I personally am still looking for shorts. If I see three waves up, if I see an engulfing move to the downside at a Fibonacci level, I definitely would take it as a short. On the other hand, if today's news causes a break of structure to the upside right here, then I would wait patiently for a pullback after the break of structure, and then I would go long at the end of the pullback, hopefully for the continuation of a much bigger move to the upside. So whether it goes up, whether it goes down, I think we have a plan. If we get a nice Fibonacci bounce, we'll go short. If we get a break of structure, we'll wait patiently for a decent pullback, and then we'll go long. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching, and happy trading.